Welcome to your English listening practice. Today, I'll tell you about a small town with a big secret in a story called The Secret of Oakhaven. Oakhaven was a very small town. It was near the big forest and the sea. All the houses were old and beautiful. The people were quiet and always smiled. A young woman named Lina came to Oakhaven for a holiday. She was a writer. She wanted to relax and write her new book. Lina rented a small house on the main street. The first week was nice. The air was fresh. She bought bread at the bakery and coffee at the cafe. But Lina noticed strange things. First, the town had no dogs. She saw cats, birds, but never a dog. She asked the baker, "Where are the dogs in Oakhaven?" The baker stopped smiling. His face was flat. "Dogs? We don't like dogs here. They are too noisy," he said quickly. Second, the town had a big clock tower, but the clock never worked. It always showed the time 3:05. Lina asked the postman about the clock. The postman looked at his feet. "Oh, the clock. It is very old. We can't fix it," he whispered. One evening, Lina was in her garden. She heard a soft sound from the forest. It was a kind of singing. It was not a happy sound. It was sad and slow. The singing started exactly at 3:05 a.m. Lina was scared. She looked out the window. All the lights in the houses were off. The streets were empty. The next day, Lina walked to the forest. She walked far. She saw an old, small metal door hidden in the trees. It had a lock. Lina touched the door. It was cold. Suddenly, she heard a voice behind her. "What are you doing here?" It was the postman. His friendly face was gone. His eyes were cold. Lina jumped. "I was just looking at the beautiful trees." The postman did not smile. "Go back to your house, Lina. Oakhaven is a quiet place. We don't like visitors who ask questions." Lina went back. She packed her bag quickly. She understood the secret. The people of Oakhaven were protecting something, or someone, behind that metal door. And the time 3:05 was important. Before she left, she looked at the town one last time. Everyone was smiling their quiet, strange smiles. Lina left Oakhaven and never came back, but she always remembered the sad singing that started exactly at 3:05 a.m. Now, let's practice your understanding. 1. What time was the town clock always stuck at? 2. What strange sound did Lina hear coming from the forest? 3. What did Lina find hidden in the woods? I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English practice.